Wardrobe malfunctions are the worst nightmare for any celebrity. There are several Bollywood actresses who have suffered such embarrassing situations, pictures of which have gone viral. Katrina Kaif has suffered multiple wardrobe malfunctions. During one promotional event for Dhoom 3, the actress's skirt lifted, displaying her innerwear. In other instance, Katrina suffered the same during the shooting of Ek Tha Tiger when she was trying to ride a bicycle wearing a skirt. Deepika also faced more than one such peekaboo moments. The actress, who was in news for the cleavage controversy some time back, also got her underwear flashed at an event. She was wearing a short dress but apparently was unaware of the malfunction. During her appearance in one of the episodes of Amitabh Bachchan's KBC also, her dress got torn around her armpit when she offered a hug to Big B. Like her contemporaries, PC also had her oops moments. In two instances, Priyanka posed for the Shutterbugs wearing see-through outfits, giving a glimpse of her lingerie. One of the most talked about wardrobe malfunctions of Priyanka was during a party abroad when she had a clique with a foreign friend and the picture showed more than she intended. Alia was also in news for such embarrassing situations. During the promotions of Humpty Sharma Ki Dulhania, Varun Dhawan lifted Alia, which made her underwear visible through her dress. She faced similar embarrassment during a promotional event when her short dress displayed a little too much. Parinidhi's most famous peekaboo moment was when she wore a red dress during an event. Although she was looking gorgeous in the dress, it was apparently too tight for her as it got torn in the back. Aishwarya Rai Bachchan, the gorgeous diva, suffered one such unpleasant moment during the promotion of Ravan. Aishwarya Rai wore a lovely white sari, but her red blouse seemed a little short, causing the wardrobe disaster. Kangna played the role of a model in the movie Fashion, in which she suffers a wardrobe malfunction on the ramp. In real life too, the actress had such a bad time on ramp when her dress showed more of her derriere than it was intended. Nargis had her share of wardrobe faux pas when she became the showstopper at Indian Bridal Fashion Week. The actress wore a black gown with a slit in the front. However, the slit opened more than it was supposed to, and thus her name gets into this list. Bebo also had an embarrassing situation when her blouse ditched her during an event. However, Kareena made a temporary arrangement with a safety pin. Gauhar Khan came into news for the wrong reason when she suffered a major wardrobe disaster. She was walking on the ramp during Lakme Fashion Week and her dress got torn in the back, flashing her derriere. Akshara Hassan, the newbie, suffered wardrobe malfunction during the promotions of her debut Bollywood film Shamitabh. She was wearing a short dress and her innerwear got captured in the lenses. Well, thanks for watching this video. Now hit the like button and subscribe our channel to watch more. See you in the next video. Till then, enjoy.